Repair fiberglass snowmobile hoods. Your snowmobile must be getting its share of wear and tear, especially during the winter months, and one of the most common problems are cracks that appear in its hood. This happens because of the constant opening and closing of the hood. The best way is to deal with this situation right at the onset, when cracks only start appearing. This will help you avoid more complicated structural problems later on. Here are ways that you could repair your snowmobile's fiberglass hood. Detach the snowmobile hood. It's best if you will remove the snowmobile hood so that you could more efficiently do the repairs. Consult the manual in order to find out how to best detach the hood. You will likely need a screwdriver for this purpose. Assess the extent of the damage. What you will do will of course depend on how serious the damage to the hood is. For simple scratches, it's best that you purchase specially formulated scratch removal products for plastic and fiberglass such as Novus. Closely follow the manufacturer's instructions when using this. Clean the damaged area. In case the hood has deeper cuts and cracks, you may need to do a more thorough troubleshooting. You will need to prepare the hood first. Clean the area that needs to be repaired, using fiberglass cleaning products. You can buy these products at hardware stores and specialty snowmobile or vehicle stores. After cleaning the damaged area, you will have to sand away the paint and grease using medium grit sandpaper. Use fiberglass cloth to cover up the damage. If the crack is deep, fiberglass cloth can effectively strengthen and connect the hood once again. Simply cut the fiberglass cloth with sharp garden shears in order to size the cloth according to the extent of the damage. When you cut the cloth, it should cover not just the damage itself but should also extend over to the surrounding areas in order to efficiently attach the cloth to the rest of the surface. Use fiberglass resin to attach the fiberglass cloth to the hood. It's best that you attach the cloth to the back of the hood so that it won't be noticeable. When using resin, you should follow the manufacturer's instructions very closely, especially in terms of mixing the components. Do make sure that the cloth is smooth and level with the rest of the fiberglass hood surface. Use fiberglass repair kits. If you aren't very comfortable about buying individual parts and supplies for fixing your snowmobile hood problem, a quick and easy solution for you is to buy prepared fiberglass repair kits that contain the materials needed to address most hood damages. Sand the repaired area. Let the fiberglass cloth dry overnight, then sand it with medium grit sandpaper to ensure that the damaged area becomes level with the surface. Paint over the repaired area. Because you have sanded the damaged area previously, you will have to repaint it to make it less noticeable. Purchase fiberglass paint that matches the rest of the paint exactly, and buff it to shine. There you have it. These are the steps to repair fiberglass snowmobile hoods. Depending on the extent of the damage, a lot about a day to undertake this project. Good luck, and hope this helped.